The year is 2025. The drought of 2012 has crippled Southern California. In year 5 of the drought, all imported water stopped flowing in from other areas. We were completely cut off and left to fend for ourselves. Many people left, a mass exodus like California has never known. Plants dried up and died, leaving little for the survivors to eat and even less for livestock to graze on. Food became as scarce as water. Then the fighting began. In year 10, the war became all we knew. Fighting for your resources, fighting for your family, fighting for your life. Fires started in the fighting, raged for days on the overly dry land, and spread to our homes. With no water, we had no way of putting them out. We lost what little we had, what the drought had not already taken. Small groups of survivors, like this one based out of what once was the Crescenta Valley Sheriff Station, banded together to protect each other and tried to preserve a small piece of society in this war-torn Southern California.
Whoever finds this, just know we held out as long as we could. It's the water. If you touch it or if you drink it, it makes you see your worst fears and it makes you hallucinate. Just know we held it as long as we could.
The drought had not already taken.
And you want us to go through again?
Yeah, just stick with me.
Do they know?
Yes.
Small groups of survivors, like this one based out of what once was the Crescenta Valley Sheriff Station, banded together to protect each other.
How's it going? I hope it's good. It's going good over here. Would you have a little heart and take part in having a kid's meal?
Have you made contact with any of the water? Did you drink any of the water? You might be infected. Get into the quarantine zone, hurry! Find the holding area!
Get out! Get out!
Leave, please. Just go. Just leave. Just leave me alone, please. No! No! Please don't leave me. No! 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 Go! No! No! Don't leave me, please! No! No, please! Please! No! 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 Please don't leave me.
Folks look thirsty.